Sounds of PvP with another episode of Kit PvP here. This is episode 5 on a kind of brand new server. Yeah, I accidentally cut my apple. But this is a cool server. No. Just going to do stuff on it. Like drink soup. Yes, drink soup. Kill people. Drink soup and kill people. Drink soup and kill people. Oh my god, I'm not used to this anymore. I've not been on this for a while now. Oh god. Oh god, get wrecked, kid. Get wrecked, get wrecked, get wrecked, get wrecked. Get wrecked, get wrecked, get wrecked. How does he have the money to buy that? He's so bad. Oh god, oh yeah, lag killed me, of course it did. Go, 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 okay. Pew, 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 pew. Let you go. Skyfox's level. Let's see it. 38. Yep, good thing I recorded. Good thing I'm recording. Yes, now! Frank! Let's go, let's go! Woo! Correct, kid, correct, 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 correct. Yes. He's gonna burn. He burned! He burned to death. Get wrecked, my friend. He was just lagging like hell. I think. Oh, like me right now. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. What the hell, bros? What the hell are you doing? No, 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 no! Frig! Kill steal! Hate you, piece of frig. Torches on here 24/7. Do, 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 do. Go, 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 go. Let's go kill some people. Ooh. Go, 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 die, 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 die. Die. Die, die, die. Die. Die, die, die. Die, die, bro, die. 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 Die, my friend. Die, my friend, you dead. You dead. You dead, my bro. You dead, you dead. No, no more soup, no more soup, no more soup, no more soup, no more soup. Oh, kid hack. That kid had auto soup. Woohoo. But whatever. I don't have a... Yes, that's one kill. Yo, stop putting freaking fire spit. Whoa, what the hell? Well, I'm gonna go kangaroo kit now. Woohoo! Because I kept my sharpness one sword, which I'm gonna enchant it right now. How much money? $2,524. That's good. That's good boy. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! 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 Am I lagging? Yes, I'm lagging. Why are you still spamming that? Okay. Oh yes, skill! Woo! Woo! Oh! 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 Get to water, get to water. Oh, got it. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Pew, 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 pew. Pew! 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 There's been a giant update on this server. Giant, giant, giant. I love the new soup command and stuff like that. But they did copy this kid off a server. I know that for a fact. But that's okay, it's just a kit. Okay, someone's swearing at us because I like soup PvP. That's weird. That is very weird. But whatever, we're just gonna ignore him because he's wrong. Just because we like soup PvP, there's nothing wrong with us. Except that I'm very strange. Woo! Wah! What am I doing? What the hell am I doing? Oh. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die if I don't soup this stuff up. I bet that kid that says F all you soup PvPers is just because he's bad at soup. Oh, that's a surprise. Oh yeah, get wrecked, bro. Time to go jump into well, get someone chasing me and jump back into spawn. And that's the good thing about this kit. Someone's chasing you. Woo 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 woo. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get back in spawn, get back in spawn. What the hell? They're probably gonna make a rule about what I just did. Or else you would get banned. But I don't care if I get. Oh, Frank. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. So boop and babies. After this, I'm gonna go get ready, give my teeth, stuff like that. Oh god, I made it! Woo! No! Get wrecked, kids! Woo! Woo! Say what? Say what? La 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 la. Oh, lag. La 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 la. La. Mixless ease. Check him. He can't even soup. They should have like a breaking faulty on this. Really, man? Really? Yeah. Buddy. Woo! No. Oh! You think you can go, do ya? Get wrecked. wanna know how I feel about that? Get back into spawn. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god, how high did I just friggin' go? Oh shoot. I bet you I can jump from here to there. Get wrecked. I made it! Andy Jackson is online. I have no idea who that is. Okay, let's go PvP for the rest of the episode. I only have like 3 minutes left to PvP. So let's kill this dude. Get wrecked. Don't even use one suit except from after the fight. Yo, what are you doing, kid? What are you doing? No! No! Ew! Ew! That's disgusting. Wait. I want to try something, my friend. So, if I... No! Frank, you! Okay, let's go, whatever. Damn it, sharpness one's on. Normal sharpness on. Get rid, yeah, destructive. Move. Correct, kid is... Woo! And he's lagging. I'm gonna kill him. Woo! Ease, kid, ease. I leveled up. Oh! Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Get right. Oh, if you hit them with their kit. Oh, they're a... Now I get why you have a cactus head. Now I get why you have a cactus head. Move, I'm running. Kids. Boop, 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 boop. Yep, I love the new /soup command. Woohoo! I haven't even died yet. I haven't died. Woo! Woo! Kill Torture! Yeah, kill Torture! I killed him! Run! That's all I want to do! That's all I wanted! Oh, kill this dude as well. Why am I it? Oh, he has really weak armor, but he also has the cat. Oh, yeah, I knew he'd do that. Pretty dango. I hate when people do that. What the hell, bro? What the hell? Yeah, get away. Peace out. Frig. Woo. He's gonna just jump across the lava, isn't he? Yep. That's what he did. Woo. What? Oh, okay. I was like... Oh! I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, lag's gonna kill me. Yeah, lag killed me. Whatever, that's the end of the episode, guys. Subscribe to keep our channel going, like for more, and comment what you want me to do next. See you all in the next episode, and have a great day.